What's up, YouTube? Alright, it's been a while. We don't know what episode we're on. Probably 21, 32.
But we at 1080p though, so it don't matter.
This is special edition 1080p. Before it was 720, I believe. And we got LB, aka Andre.
It's supposed to be Andre, aka OB.
And Jimmy, aka I Feel Like Hot, and me, Kamikaze. Except it's not _dash. It's IB Kamikaze. And we're just in the kitchen cooking some noodles. Cooking noodles.
That's how we get down the hill, apparently.
Playing Madden in the living room, as you can see. But you can't really see it.
You can hear it though if you was in.
But we're gonna start making more videos if we can. We're gonna do some epic football videos.
Show some Peter skills, show some Vince skills, some QB skills.
We're gonna do a shout out. Just comment down below. Like and subscribe.
Shout out to my boy Sawyer 7 Mage. That's boy.
Anyways, that'll be the wrap up.
Hold up, I got something to say. Shout out to Michael Kitchen. He said he's gonna be back for Thanksgiving. He lied. Shout out to Sharif Judd. He was with us for 2 videos. I don't know where he at now.
It's probably in the Pacific Ocean.
Alright, that'll be it. This is the wrap up. Peace.